If you're a farmer or gardening enthusiast, then you need to know about beneficial insects. Welcome to Agri Chronicles. Today, we explore the unsung heroes of agriculture, beneficial insects. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights. Whether you're tending to a small garden or managing vast fields, today's topic is sure to pique your interest. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of beneficial insects. These tiny creatures play a massive role in maintaining the health of our plants. These little heroes are the unsung champions of agriculture, and you'll be amazed at what they can do. They work tirelessly, often unnoticed, to keep our crops thriving. First up, the ladybird beetle, commonly known as the ladybug. These colourful insects are a gardener's best friend. These vibrant little creatures feast on aphids, mites and other pests, keeping your plants healthy and thriving. Next, meet the lacewings, another powerful ally in your garden. Their larvae are voracious predators of aphids, caterpillars and even small beetles. They can consume large numbers of pests in a short time. They're like the bodyguards of your crops, always on the lookout for potential threats. Let's not forget the ground beetles. These insects are essential for soil health. These nocturnal hunters patrol your soil, eating harmful insects and even slugs. They're your underground army, working tirelessly through the night. Hoverflies are next on the list. These insects are often mistaken for bees due to their appearance. Not only do they pollinate flowers, but their larvae also devour aphids. They provide a dual benefit to your garden. Double-duty insects, yes please, their presence ensures both pollination and pest control. Then there are parasitic wasps. These tiny warriors are incredibly efficient at pest control. They might sound scary, but they're tiny and target specific pests like caterpillars and aphids, injecting their eggs into the pests. Creepy, but super effective. Don't overlook spiders. Though not technically insects, they prey on a wide variety of pests, acting as natural pest control agents. They're your silent stalkers, always ready to pounce. Lastly, we have the bees. These insects are vital for pollination and more. While we all know they're top-tier pollinators, some species also hunt pests to feed their larvae. They're the ultimate multitaskers, balancing pollination and pest control. But wait, there's more! Let's talk about predatory mites. These tiny creatures are often overlooked, but are incredibly effective. These tiny warriors target spider mites and other small pests, keeping your plants safe. They are relentless in their pursuit of pests. Tachinid flies are another great example. They lay their eggs on pests and the larvae consume them from the inside out, nature's way of keeping balance. Minute pirate bugs are small but mighty, preying on thrips, spider mites and aphids. Their small size allows them to reach places other predators can't. Assassin bugs are fierce predators, taking down a variety of pests with their sharp beaks. They are the stealthy ninjas of the insect world. Predatory stink bugs might have a bad reputation, but they're excellent at controlling caterpillars and beetles. They are misunderstood heroes. And let's not forget dragonflies. These aerial acrobats feast on mosquitoes and other flying pests. Their agility makes them formidable hunters. That's just a sneak peek at the beneficial insects making a difference in your fields and gardens. Each one plays a unique role in maintaining ecological balance. Each of these insects will be featured in upcoming videos where I'll explore their roles in greater detail. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights. Thank you for watching. If you're finding this information useful, give us a thumbs up and share it with your fellow gardeners and farmers. Please like, share and subscribe to Agri Chronicles for more tips and tricks on maintaining a healthy garden and farm. Happy farming! Leave a comment below and let us know which beneficial insect you find most fascinating.